Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people solve this question like 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Then again, 10 minus 10 is equal to also 0. Now 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis. Second priority is exponent. Third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, okay? And last means fourth priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So here is a subtraction, here is subtraction, and here is a subtraction, okay? So all have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So first we have to solve this part. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 10 minus 10, okay? Now here is a subtraction and here is subtraction, both have equal priority, so we have to move from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. 0 minus 10 is equal to minus 10 minus 10, okay? Now minus 10 minus 10 is equal to minus 20. So minus 20 is the correct answer, okay? If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.